gonna do with your baby? This shows an ugly baby.
What you gonna do with it? What you gonna do with that baby? Yeah, that's what I want. What you gonna do with
You said that everyone could be free. But look at you and look at me. The heart that everyone starts out with has purity. If it's free. When a newborn baby is born, the world gets one more chance. When a newborn baby is born, the world gets one more chance. His mom is his champion, and his daddy is his reality. Yes, he is. And his safety's in their hands, but his mind, personal property. Yes, it is. When a newborn baby is born, the world gets one more chance. When a newborn baby is born, the world gets one more chance. You say don't tell a lie, but the lie you tell, it don't miss his eye. No, 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 no. And you say don't kill a man, but the gun you made don't fit that plan. No. His love goes to his parents with trust, at least initially. Yes, it does. His faith stays with who deserves his faith as he grows and as he knows. When a newborn baby is born, the world gets one more chance. When a newborn baby is born, the world gets one more chance. Yeah. When a newborn baby is born, the world gets one more chance. The birth of a child, whatever the family's lifestyle, brings love, joy, but more importantly, it brings renewed hope. All these positive feelings are surely warranted. If the baby's allowed to grow, mind untampered with. What are you gonna do with your baby? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do with the baby? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do with your baby? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do with your baby? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do with your baby? What are you gonna do?